Before we start the video, I want to let you guys know that I'm starting a free F&F group. It means family and friends. We get to trade together, find coins, everyone makes money. So if you guys are interested, you're a total beginner, don't know where to start, join. The only requirement is that you join Axiom with my link, and yeah. Hey guys, Chopper. So today I'm going to show you a strategy that's super simple. So simple that if you practice this 1 hour a day for 7 days, you'll be a pro at it. This strategy is so easy that I average a 9 out of 10 win rate. You can do like 8 out of 10, 7 out of 10 on average when you first start. But if you're really patient, you can actually do a 10 out of 10 win rate. So to begin, all you're doing is looking for a pattern of support and a pattern of highs or resistance. Support is the bottom of each hill or up and down of the chart. So like this is a hill, or you can call it a mountain or whatever you want. So example, you take the box tool, you can find it here. Just go here, box tool, and then you just find the repeatable lows. As you see, like here, repeatable low, the top of it, repeatable. So you'll go ahead and do this. Take the low, find the wick, come to the top, drag it out. So as you see, it had some movement. What we're going to focus on is after this first high. So after this first all-time high. So example, we're going to follow this chart up until before it shoots up again. So first you see after the first all-time high, it dipped, came down to about 60k. Up, down, bounced, up, came down, double bounced. This is what I call a double bounce. It's like a W. So you come down. So you come down, up, down. It shoots up like a W. You see that? And then again, came down, up, down, went up. So again, W. Came down, up, down. So as you see here, double bounced. So you would buy after the second bounce. So one bounce, two, buy here, sell here, or anywhere in between. Same thing here. Wait for that bounce. So you buy it somewhere within the block or wherever it touches. So you can buy here, and then sell up here or up here. And with this strategy, you can go ahead and trade multiple times on the boxes that you mark out. So as you see again, you have the next opportunity there, up. Buy within the bounce, so buy right here, buy right here. There's a 2 candle confirmation for green right there, and then sell anywhere up on the way up. There, sell here. That's as simple as it gets. So that's what supports. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna remove my drawings. I'm gonna put it back on. So I found it here. Move it across. And now we're gonna look at resistance. So same concept applies. It's just as resistance is repeating itself, repeating and breaking. So example, repeating and breaking. So on this chart here, it would be came down, came up here. So one spot is right there. And the way you know where to place it is where the wick ends. So where the candle starts, where the wick ends. So like I said, where the where the candle and the wick are. So specifically, it's at the top of the candle and at the end of the wick. So remove this box. I'll show you again one more time. So you want to look for highs. So there's a high here. I want to find out where it's repeatable. So example right here. Top of the wick here. Come up. Go across. Right here, as you see. So as you see here, comes down, bounces in here, comes up, touches in here, comes down, bounces up. These are places you can buy and sell at. So if you were to buy at the bottom here, somewhere around here, about 60, 65K, you would end up selling around here 81K. So say you bought right here and you were to sell within this green candle here, you could be making 20-25%, as you see. As what you're supposed to be doing is going for small wins, not double, 2x's, 5x's, whatever it is. You're going for 10%, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, anything in between there. This strategy here guarantees you between 8% and 20 and 30% profits. So, for example, so as you see, resistance, support, you're gonna go bounce in here, came up here, bounced here. So we bought it at the top of the green candle, and you sold somewhere at the top here, 15%, not bad. At one salon, you make 0.15. Again, came down here, double bounced, W, up. So you could have sold anywhere along the line here. You spot it somewhere here. You wait for it. This is where you want to buy. You buy right here. Buy in this area. Or you wait for a two green candle confirmation, which is this here. You buy somewhere here and goes up. So let's say we did that. You bought at the top of this green candle. You sold for 20-15%. Look at that right there. And then that's where the chart took a sharp uptrend. And then you just repeat this again. As you see here, do it again. So again, you just find where the support zones are, repeatable support zones, and repeatable highs or resistance. Again, I'll be starting a Discord where we can trade together, an FNF group, family and friends group. I'll find the coins, we all end up trading, or multiple of us can start finding coins and we all trade coins together from what each other find. Because honestly, when you trade alone, it's not as fast paced as everyone else makes it out to be. But I will be starting a free FNF group on Discord. If you are interested, leave a comment below, and when I release it, I'll be replying to comments with the link. See you guys later.